loving and being in a relationship with someone who struggles with mental health. When love meets adversity, it's transformed into something even stronger. Embrace the challenge of loving someone with mental health struggles. Together, you can conquer the storms of life. Be the anchor for their soul, providing unwavering support and understanding. Remember, patience is a virtue. As you walk hand in hand, guide them with love and compassion, celebrating even the smallest victories. It's time to break the stigma. Show the world that love transcends the boundaries of mental health. Together, you are powerful. Love, support, and growth. This is the essence of a strong relationship, even when faced with mental health challenges. If you know someone who struggles with mental health in their relationship, let them know that love can overcome their struggles.